Hi everyone, I had a windscreen on the car on the Passat CC replaced recently, and the rain sensor, which is here, stopped working. So I was wondering what could have been the problem. Of course, the windshield replacement company did something wrong, and I was guessing what it is, so I thought maybe I have to switch off, replace the sensor. But when I opened, I figured that there is no silicone gel was applied to in between this windscreen and the sensor. As soon as I done this, the problem was fixed. And this is a very easy job. You just need to get a plastic tool, or just very carefully with a regular screwdriver open it up and just put it down here, just squeeze it in a little bit, and all these two parts will go open. So then you will see that you will move the mirror down, just like this, mirror down, and it will open your sensor. Just try to, as the mirror quite heavy, it will be hanging out here, which is not good. So just find there is a little connector. Just remove the connector and unplug the mirror, so it will be easy to work with it. But anyway, I was very lucky that the mirror guys, the windscreen guys haven't damaged anything, but they were in a hurry. They did a good job, but they had to actually probably check themselves after they finished the work. And anyway, so this is how it's done. Sometimes we need to check stuff after the professionals do this, and sometimes they forget things. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.